students, today let's discuss about quadrilaterals and circles. Have you heard these words, quadrilateral and circle? Okay, let's discuss today about quadrilaterals and circles. After this module, you can identify quadrilaterals and circles. First we see what are quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Here you can see 8 different figures. These 8 different figures have special names, but these are in our quadrilateral family. Have you seen any speciality here? Yes, all the figures have 4 sides only. All the figures has 4 sides, and we know 4 angles are also there. 4 sides and 4 angles. So let's understand now. Quadrilaterals are 4-sided figures. 4-sided figures. Okay, quadrilaterals. Here, from these figures, we can see a quadrilateral has 4 vertices, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Here you can see 4 vertices. Point A, point B, point C, point D are the 4 vertices. Then next point is it has 4 sides. We just saw that all the figures have 4 sides. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides. AB joining A to B, then from B to C, C to D and D to A. These are the 4 sides of a quadrilateral. Next speciality is it has 4 angles. Here you can see 4 angles. Angle D, angle A, angle B, angle C. These are the 4 angles of a quadrilateral. Okay. Then quadrilateral, we can say that 4-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Then it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Next, here you can see point A, point B, point C and point D. That is 4 vertices you can see. Then AB, we join from A to B, that is line segment AB. Then BC, line segment BC. Then CD, line segment CD. Then line segment DA. What are these? These are the 4 sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. 4 sides. Just like we can see angle D, then angle A, angle B, then last one is angle C. What are these? These are 4 angles of a quadrilateral ABCD. 4 angles and 4 sides. Okay. Next, here you can see a quadrilateral ABCD, 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. We have to find the adjacent sides. Have you heard this word adjacent side? Adjacent sides means 2 sides having one common point. Here you can see, you listen very carefully the screen, then only you can understand adjacent sides. Here 2 sides are marked with 2 red lines, that is line segment AB and line segment BC. Side AB and BC. These 2 sides are adjacent sides. Line segment AB and line segment BC are adjacent because line segment AB and line segment CB have one common point as B. Adjacent side means nearest side. AB is nearest to BC. They can touch it one point. AB and BC are adjacent. Very simple. Then next starting from BC. BC and CD are adjacent side. Next starting from CD. CD and DA are adjacent side. Next DA and AB are adjacent sides. Next we can see adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are also nearest angles. When we consider line segment AB, we consider, then angle A and angle B are adjacent because angle A and angle B are on the same line segment. That is, angle A and angle B are adjacent. Then starting from angle B and angle C are adjacent. They are on the same line segment. Then angle C and angle D are adjacent. Next, angle D and angle A are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means nearest angles. Next, opposite sides. Very simple, we can identify opposite side. Consider AB. Consider line segment AB. Then DC is opposite. AB and DC are opposite sides. Then next, BC and AD are opposite, just opposite side. Okay. Next, similarly, opposite angles, very simple. Angle A and angle C are opposite, not adjacent, not nearest. They are opposite. Opposite angles. Next, opposite angles. Angle D and angle B. Angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Next, we have one question. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State, first question, two pairs of opposite sides. First, we draw a quadrilateral KLMN. We can draw a quadrilateral with any shape, KLMN. Next, we find two pairs of opposite side. Very simple. Opposite side. These are opposite in red color. So, we write the line segment KL and line segment NM are opposite. Next pair, yes, NK and ML are opposite side. Next question, two pairs of opposite angles. Opposite angles, which are the opposite angles? Angle K and angle M are opposite. Another pair is angle N and angle L are opposite. Okay, angle L and angle N are opposite. Next question, C question, two pairs of adjacent side. We need only two pairs. Two pairs of adjacent side. Listen the screen. Here you can see KL and LM. KL and LM are adjacent. Next pair starting from LM, then LM and MN are adjacent side. They are nearest sides. Next, two pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. First we take KL, line segment KL, then angle K and angle L are adjacent. Angle K and angle L are adjacent. Next, if we take line segment LM, then angle L and angle M are adjacent angles. Adjacent means nearest angles, not opposite. Okay, angle L and angle M are adjacent angles. These are about quadrilaterals. Next, we discuss about circles. All of us know what is a circle. Here you can see a circle with a point on its center. We name C for the center. Then C is called center. C is the center of the circle. Then if we draw a line segment and when we put the D. that is line segment CD. This line segment starting from center to the circle, that is CD, line segment CD. What is its name? CD is a radius. CD is a radius. Next, if we draw a bigger line segment inside the circle through the center of the circle, if we put the name as A and B, that is line segment AB is called diameter of the circle. Diameter, then radius, then center. C is the center, CD is the radius, line segment AB is the diameter. We know diameter is the double of the radius. Okay, you can see here so many radius. Yes, AB is the diameter. You can see line segment CD. Consider line segment CD. Line segment CD is a radius. Then line segment CA, another radius. Line segment CB, the third radius. If the radius is more than 1, it's named as radii. The plural form of radius is radii. If we use radius for one single radius, radii for more than one radius. So here you can see 3 radii. Okay. Next, if we join a line segment from E to F inside the circle, then this line segment EF is called chord of the circle. Chord of the circle. Next, a small red curve is here. This curve we name it as P and Q. This is the arc of a circle. Arc PQ. In short form, we can write it as arc PQ. We write PQ, then above a small curve. Next, we can see a circle here. Then 2 parts are shaded here. Then a special name for these 2 parts. The first one is segment. Segment. The second one is sector. Segment and sector. Here you can see a region enclosed by an arc and 2 radii is called sector. So what is sector? A sector is inside portion of a circle which enclosed by an arc and 2 radii. Here you can see 2 radii and an arc. Just like segment, here a region enclosed by a chord and an arc. Chord and an arc is called segment. Sector means included with 2 radii. Segment means included an arc and a chord. Okay, these are the 2 parts of a circle, sector and segment. Next, we have to done a question. Draw any circle and mark. We can draw any circle with any radius. You can select any radius and mark. First question is A, center. We can mark here a center. Okay, here you can see a center. A dot is there. That is the center of this circle. Then B question, radius. You just draw a radius here. Okay, you can see a radius just like you draw in your notebook. Radius, this is the radius of the circle. Then diameter, we can simply draw a diameter like this, a bigger line segment, but it passes through the center. Diameter. Next one is sector. Sector means area enclosed within 2 radii. Okay, this is a sector of the circle. Next, E question, segment. You can mark it there, a segment like this. First you draw a chord, then shade that region. Then a point in its interior. A point in its interior. You can draw a point inside the circle. Here you can see a point in the interior. Next is G question. A point in its exterior. Here point B is in exterior, point A is in interior. Next, an arc. An arc. You can draw any arc. Okay, this is the parts of a circle. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.